Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, as you can see by the title, we will share with you an easy way of traveling with your favorite perfumes on the go. Before we start the video, please get some time out and subscribe to our channel. We discuss about fragrances and perfumes on this channel. I will link my other perfumes related video in the description if you want to check those out. So let's start the video. It happens several times that you want to keep the perfume you're wearing in your bag or in your wallet so you can redo it after a few hours and refreshen the fragrance, but the bottles of most of the perfumes are too fancy to travel with. Not only are they fancy, but they are very heavy and add extra weight to your luggage also. For ladies, however, it might be possible to carry those big bottles in their handbags, but for men, it is almost impossible to carry their favorite perfumes on the go. So in this video, we shall be talking about how you can make it possible to travel with your favorite perfumes. One solution can be to purchase the travel size bottles of your favorite perfumes, but most of the brands introduce the travel size package, but not always all the perfumes come in travel size packages. So you have to switch to the second solution. The second solution would be to transfer your favorite perfume into a smaller size bottle, but transferring the perfumes into the bottle is not an easy task because perfume sprays is so tightly fixed on the bottle and you can't open it, and even if you get to open it, it will not be resealed after the same way. Therefore, in today's video, we have a mini travel size bottle which is very easy to be refilled with any perfume. I came across a special mini refillable perfume bottle on the internet, and when I searched for it, it was everywhere. I decided to order it and see for myself whether it works or not. So here it is. I've opened it and seen it but not tested it. So we are going to open it and retest it in this video. Here what it looks like. It's a 5 ml atomizer bottle, which means that it pressurizes the liquid with the air and makes it spray like a normal perfume. So it is available in several colors. It is also available in 8 ml and 10 ml sizes, but I could only get 5 ml bottle. So let's try this out and see how it works. I got it from an online store for 400 rupees and paid 190 rupees for extra for shipping, which means I got it for 590 rupees in total. I will add the link in the description if you like to buy it. It is also available in Daraz now, but due to lockdown, I couldn't find it on Daraz, so I ordered it from the other website. I'll put both the links in the description. So searching for this bottle on the internet is how it works. I understand that we have to remove the top spray of the perfume bottle, set this small bottle on top of it and start to spray like we normally do. So I have a bottle of my favorite perfume with me. Let's remove the upper spray and put this mini small bottle and try getting the perfume transferred in this small one. It took several pumps to fill it completely, and to be honest with you guys, it was not very easy to fill it. It's very tight and hard to work with. With this 5 ml bottle, you can use it for 3 to 5 times to apply perfume, which means that we use 5 ml perfume in 3 to 4 goes then we apply perfume. So let's check how its spray works. Yeah, it works very well. So overall, yes, yes, this works. Is it necessary? Yes, for some people, and no for others. For the people who are very selective about their perfumes, this is a very cool item and very smart way of carrying your favorite perfumes with you. A little difficult to fill, but really great product. And in the end, I'd like to add a note that the other gold bottle, which I ordered along with this red one, was filled really easily. So it was just a luck that we got to try the red one in the video, which was a little difficult to fill. However, the other gold one was really easy to fill. So overall, it depends upon the quality that which you get. I mean, you can get the easy one and you can get the difficult one, but if you talk about the gold one, it's really easy to fill it. So I think that was all for this video. I hope you liked this video. Please hit like if you did, and let me know in the comments below if you would like to watch more perfume hacks videos on this channel. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Bye.